So, Direk Sian, what are some of the reactions you're most thrilled about, you're most excited to seeing once mag-roll na kayo and once mag-premiere na to sa Signal Play and Viva One from the fans, of course?
Thank you for that question. Sa akin, and same with the whole cast and Rain din, we have an open communication na ano nga ba, katulad nga kanina tinanong ko si Rain, ano nga ba yung gusto niyong talagang pagtuunan namin ng pansin ng eksena. So ako, I'm looking forward to una sa lahat, magsimula na yung shoot ng Project Loki because we're more than ready. I feel na ready na mag-principal photography for this. The fans are also waiting. I've been reading yung mga reactions online, and ako para sa akin, we just want to give justice. We want to stay true to the source material. Hindi namin yung katulad nga ng sabi ni Rain na hindi lang ito basta kinuha yung Project Loki tapos ibahin namin yung kwento. We will do our best to execute as close as possible. But syempre, gawin pa rin namin this is an adaptation. So makikita nyo in the flesh yung mga paborito yung characters. But they're very excited. Sobrang nilang eager and sobrang nilang, they're all passionate. Tingnan nyo lang sila. They're stars in the making. So, and stars actually, diamond in the rough. So, I'm very proud sa kanilang lahat. And I'd like to take this opportunity na rin to thank, Wattpad Viva for giving me this really big responsibility of directing Project Loki. So ako naman gusto ko lang po mapasaya lahat ng manonood dito. So thank you for that question.
Walang ano man, Direk Sian. But that's not the only trick we have up our sleeve. Kasi
I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, this is your first directorial dub ng series, di ba? Series ba? This is your first time to direct series?
I've done po with another production, a series na, I got to do a series na po, not with Viva po.
Okay.
Yes.
Pero what are your challenges you encounter doing this? Especially yung mga itidirect mo is mga Gen Z, di ba?
Parang bata, parang ramdam ko nga yung pagkabagets ko dito sa entablado. No, but thank you, Sir Alan. You're asking ko is yung magiging challenge for this one. I think siguro first and foremost, karamihan po sa cast reveal, it would be their first project or ito po yung mga first or second, di ba? So, it's a challenge and a blessing as well, I would say. Kasi hindi pa and I'd like to look at it as a blessing kasi hindi pa nakahaluan ng bad habits pag tumagal eh. Kasi sometimes we develop that. But yun yung kagandahan po ng I would say fairly new in the industry. I think in terms of challenge, the adaptation, doing an adaptation, yun na talaga yung challenge yun eh. Kasi there's certain expectations na parang kailangan mo talagang maging faithful sa libro and you can't go so far away or else the audience or the readers, the die-hard fans will feel deceived na parang ano tong pinapanood namin. So yun, that's one of the challenges na tututukan ko to really stay true to the source material sa imagination ni Ray, ni ako si Ibarra, and make all the actors comfortable sa ginagawa nila. Kasi I think that's the secret ingredient lang naman eh sa chemistry. You guys asked about chemistry. It's really just trusting each other. Trusting your director, trusting your co-actors, trusting the production na nandito kami para alagaan kayo. Yun lang po yun.
What kind of director daw you are? Are you a strict director or kalma lang or parang you get friends with them, parang ganyan?
Mabait naman po ako. No, ako kasi I always have a conversation with them na yung mga gusto ko i-impart sa kanila would be the experiences that I encountered. Yung mga challenges din, syempre nadapa, ilang beses na rin ako nadapa while in my journey, in my acting career, in that journey. Maraming beses na rin ako napagalitan on set, nasigawan. Maraming beses ako hindi nakapag-perform, tinanggal ako sa mismong project. So I would safely say na napagdaanan ko naman po siya. So yun, I promise that I'll be here with them, holding their hand along.
Thank you, Direk Sia.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you, Alan Sancon ng Stars Photo.
Projects before, no? Medyo malalambot yata yung medyo rom-com, mga ganun. How does it compare na ngayon, gumagawa ka ng mga ganito na bagong mga kabataan naman ng ating, at ikaw na yung nag-handle. How does it compare lang? Sa era, back then, yung time mo.
Grabe. Parang lalo akong tumatanda.
Hindi naman.
Yung time ko.
Like a few years back lang naman.
Wait, can you repeat the first part lang of the question? Medyo
Kukumpare lang natin, no? Dati kasi gumagawa ka rin ng youth-oriented projects, you know. And I think hindi kasing dilim o dark as this na kumpara mo lang na ngayon, lumalawak na nga yung pananaw ng mga audience natin. Ini-introduce na natin ng mga ganitong Kumpara mo lang yung approach niya back then and you know, with you on the helm of this project na.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Maraming salamat for that question. Yes, I did start off with rom-com. Yun talaga yung, and as I always have conversations with the actors para lang din naiintindihan namin ang isa't isa. Na that's what core ko talaga ang rom-com because that's really how I started. But through the years, as I matured and as I looked for different roles to portray, if you notice, padark na ng padark, especially when Viva gave me the opportunity to, I don't know, do a true, naging patayan na eh. Then a couple of years ago, I did Playtime. So it kind of, the filmography din, sumabay na as I'm looking for more roles to portray, nagiging dark na rin. So I think, I want this series to be dark, to be shot as kung paano siya sinulat, which is bloody, hindi, yun. And the second part of the question is, how is it different from the generation before and the generation now? Hindi naman din po ganun kalayo yung agwat, baka isipin yung pa-veteran na ako, hindi naman po. When I was starting, same po sa kanila, na parang first few projects ko pa lang, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Nako, yun yung mga panahon na wala pa kasing social media ng panahon na yun. So, sisigawan ka talaga, papaiyakin ka talaga, may mga lumilipad na upuan sa harapan mo. And now, that's not the approach anymore. Dati, dinadaan sa takot ang artista. It's very parang terror, di ba? May mga ganun tayo narinig na terror. So that was the approach na nakita ko. Then of course, nag-evolve din siya through the years. But yan, hindi ako ganun. I just wanna have it, I wanna have it light. Mahirap na talaga yung ginagawa. Mahirap na yung trabaho mahirap na talaga yung trabaho. So papahirapan pa ba natin na magbabatuhan tayo ng serious? So chill lang.
Parang tipong you made a conscious decision na ibahin ang atake mo bilang director, or, you know.
Yes, definitely.
Pinuno.
Because when I was being directed, at natatakot ako na, syempre, I was very stiff. Kung ano man, nung nagsisimula ako, gusto ko niyang ibahin and have a different approach sa kanila. And I wanted to have a pleasant experience. At I wanted to know, to feel that this is one for the books. That this is gonna be a worthwhile project para sa kanila.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Neil.